Good morning. I'm David Lair. I'm doing a little intro here, part 103. This is basically an update to show you the features of the new LMV5 trainer. In front of you, you're going to have a new unit, complete with kickstands, a power cord. Please wait before applying power until we tell you to. Thank you. Features of the new LMV5 trainer are air and fuel servos with indicators so you can see the position of the servos. Of course, the AZL display. And then we have a section of all switches and lights showing all the 120 volt inputs on the LMV5, as well as all the 120 volt outputs on the LMV5. And then finally on the switch panel, we have 3 potentiometers on there, or 3 analog inputs for steam pressure, temperature, remote set point or firing rate, as well as CAN bus connections for O2 trainer and VFD connections for a VFD trainer. Inside the unit, we have, of course, the printed circuit board with a plastic panel on there to keep it safe. We've got 2 servos with the covers removed so you can see the status lights of the LEDs, and we can address the servos as you would in the field for the training class. Additionally, we have an LMV52, and then we have a LMV5 transformer to power the unit, as well as the wiring harnesses to tie everything together. On the AZL for navigation, if you want to plug in your unit right now, you can apply power and boot it up. We should get a backlit on the screen. We should get a system test. And basically the unit's going to be in a lockout. There's no fuel drain. If you push the escape button, it'll give us the opportunity to re-enter, to hit enter and reset the fault. We don't want to do that. We're going to run the unit, we're going to program it while it's in a fault. If you escape again, it's still going to give you the option. It's going to back out of the menu. You can be up to 6 menus deep, and escape will back you out to the root screen. Once you get back to the root screen, it's going to start with the operational stat. There's going to be a cursor on there. Now, if you push the left and right select keys, you navigate the cursor up and down. And if you push the enter key, you'll enter into that parameter section. This is how we're going to set up the switch panel on the LMV5 trainer. Starting at the left, we're going to turn the safety loop on. We're going to turn the burner switch off. We're going to turn the low gas switch on. We're going to take air, FCC, and valve proving, as well as the POC. All 4 of those switches are going to be all the way left to the auto position. We're going to make the high gas pressure switch, and we're going to place the flame signal all the way to the left in auto. On the next column, we're going to take all the switches and move them left. So the AZL will be selecting gas. We'll be on W1 for a set point. We're not going to increase or decrease, and we're not doing any of the oil. And finally, on the bottom, the reset is a spring switch, so it's naturally going to be in that position. You'll notice on the right that the alarm light LED will be turned on because the unit is in alarm. You're ready to go for your class. Now you can continue with part 103, parameters commissioning, from the regular YouTube series. Thank you very much.